Alright, boys, we lost about $1,300 in the day. Let's recap again. I don't fucking think these were some bad trades. I posted it on TikTok and y'all frying my shit in the comments. So, no idea what to say. Y'all are calling me. I'll live and read it out, Loki. I'll read it up. I posted on TikTok. Everyone's saying you're a pattern trader. Like, holy pattern trade. It was A plus mechanically, but bias is bullish. You're overcomplicating trading, bro. I just go with the price action. So glad I stopped trading this way. Don't overcomplicate trading. What? 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 I don't know. I mean, this is the model that makes me money. I mean, shit, y'all be seeing my YouTube videos. Again, I'm not butthurt about this shit. Oh, God, I'm not butthurt. I just think it's crazy that, like, I lose one trade. And this is the reason why I post, like, my fucking trade recaps, right? I lose one trade and everyone starts saying I don't know shit in the comments. But if I hit one trade, my comments will be dead. Oh, God, my comments will be dead. But low-key, I guess that's like the marketing strategy, right? All right, so we had 9 a.m. news, right? Forex Factory. And actually, I didn't lose 1,300. I lost 1,289. Jolt's job openings at fucking 9 a.m. Bang, bang, bang. Let's just go to the recap. Again, I had a bearish bias for the day, right? Bang, bang, bang. Y'all could tell me the reason why I had a bearish bias, right? The one high that I really missed was this 4-hour high right here. I didn't think that we are going to come up and fucking sweep it out, which kind of fucked me because we did end up sweeping that hell out, but I really just didn't think that, like, I would need to, like, you know, mark all that shit out. But bang, we had this London high right here, and I'm really just trying to see a sweep of this London high. Reactions down below, right? Right, that's really what I'm trying to see. Again, we do have, like, these for value gaps down below. I don't know why. Like, we have this 50-minute right here, this 50-minute low, 5-minute and shit that I'm really trying to get invalidated, whatever. 1-minute low over here, 50-minute low right here. Yes, it's really the same thing. We have all these gaps. We have 2 SMTs, 3 SMTs actually. But as y'all can see, we have this SMT from this high to this high. All these are making NQ, the lagging index, by the way. And lagging index, right? So bang. Alright, we fucking rip up on market open. The Patty swing, as y'all know, or the Judas swing, whatever you call it. We sweep the London high. Alright, y'all tell me how this is a bad entry, right? Alright, boom. So keep in mind, I'll tell you the confluence is listed out. Super high time frame, reaction. No breaker structure, which is initially my fault, honestly. But the break, I don't know why I didn't wait for a break structure. That honestly was my fault, right? No breaker structure, whatever. Right, I'll attribute that to this is a B trade. So we get a super high invalidation on the lagging. On the leading, we get this invalidation, and we get, I'm pretty sure, either a 5-minute or 15-minute break structure. Right. Call it pattern trade. Call it that there was bullish. There was maybe we were in a 15-minute bullish trend, but like, bro, it's literally like the Patty swing, like this shit low key. And we also got a sweep of this 5-minute high right here, that I did not have marked out. 5-minute high, bang, sweep. That to me is very mechanical, right? Again, I was gonna go break even on this 50-minute low. Even though I entered right here, I was gonna go break even on the 50-minute low just to save some money. We didn't fucking take out the 50-minute low. Instead, we edged it and went higher, right? And I ended up getting stopped out for, I think this loss was about $650, right? Bang. Whatever. Fucking stopped out in a minute and a half. But whatever. Maybe we needed a more sweep, right? And again, I'm waiting. I'm really just waiting for another sweep, right? I'm fucking just waiting. Bang. Sweep, right? And I'm pretty sure at the same time, yeah, ES took out the fucking London high and the 50-minute high, right? I'm a little angry about this, but ES took out the fucking 50-minute high and the London high, right? Now at this point, we have this fucking break structure right here that I want to see, right? Screw all this, right? None of this matters. What matters right now is I want to see this break structure. I want to see an invalidation of this fucking low right here. I mean, of this 1-minute gap. Invalidate. I don't understand invalidation here, right? Invalidation and break structure. Fuck. I gotta leave. Invalidation and break structure. Again, we got the break structure that we're looking for right there. No, not right there. We got this break structure. Again, that's grounds for an entry. Super high, reaction. Super high and reaction. I'll just count that as one. SMTs, invalidation on the leading SMT, and break structure in the 1 minute. That model was printed for me. Y'all go back and watch my YouTube videos. That model was printed for me so many times. right? Maybe it doesn't work 2 times in a row. I think honestly I shouldn't have taken the second trade, right? I mean, if I'm gonna get fucked on this entry right here with the sweep of the London high, what makes you think the 1 minute high is gonna be even better, right? So we get the sweep, invalidation, whatever the fuck. We go down, enter right here, stops for this 1 minute high, protected 1 minute high, by the way. Take profit at the 50-minute low, literally for a 1-to-1. I'm not even trying to lie. Okay, bro, I'll literally give you the stats, right? I took this with the fucking 5 micros, maybe 6, right? So I lost 570 on the second trade. I'm literally just looking to make back the money that I lost from this trade, right? Looking to go break even on the day. Again, not even a bad target. I'm targeting this fucking 15-minute low right here, right? Or this 1 minute low, actually, in this gap, 15-minute low. I was going to go break even, right? Again, I was going to go break even as soon as fucking ES touched, like, any low. Literally any low. Any low. Any fucking low. Any fucking low. Right? I entered right there. As soon as we check out this low or this low, I would have been break even. But instead, we reversed, which is fine again. And then I looked to get off the markets, right? Again, I probably would have taken this as well, right? Because we come and take out the 4-hour high. Bang. Okay, finally, we got the fucking 4-hour high. We got the 1 minute inverse. Now I'm looking at the 5 minute. I'm trying to see if there's anything going on, right? There's jack shit going on. I'm pretty sure. Maybe I might be wrong. Maybe. Yeah, there's no 5 minutes, so I would have probably taken that 1 minute right there. Bro, I really need a replay. I don't know why it's pissing me off. But I would have probably taken that 1 minute right there. I mean, we got the invalidation right there. Honestly, I'm just going to start a new replay, bro. To, like, right here. Right there. Right, ES on the same time. I want to see if we got... Which we would have gotten that invalidation. Let's say that I wait for the break of structure, which I'm pretty sure that we got. Right, we got that invalidation right there on NQ. We also got the break of structure on the bros. I would have probably taken this and probably gotten stopped out. Let's say I tried to target these lows right here. 3 lows, right? Maybe this enough was a good trade for me. I don't fucking know. But actually, no. Low-key, I would have waited for this for value gap to get invalidated. So I would have really entered right here. Maybe, I don't know, because I wouldn't have validated it so close. No, I would have entered right there because we get the inversion on the leading. So that's the only thing that matters to me, and I would have gone break even probably on this for value gap. So probably a break even there. Yeah, break even there. All right. Now maybe we need another liquidity sweep. I'm still waiting for the liquidity sweep on NQ. I want to see this get taken out. This would have probably been my last hope as well. Maybe there. Maybe. Bang. All right, so we got the liquidity sweep. What the fuck am I looking at the same time? Right? What I really want is I want this to get invalidated on the 1 minute. Again, this is some barcode price action. I probably would have gone off the charts if I'm being completely honest. But for the sake of y'all, let's just say that I waited and waited and waited, and we got this invalidation. Hopefully we get it. All right, I enter at 936. 936. We also have clear breaker structure right here. 936. Bang. Bang. At the protected fucking high. And literally just, let's just say I target this for a 1-to-1. 248. So I would probably entered with 4 fucking 2.5 probably. Yeah, so I would have been risking 620. Right. Break even at about 937. Maybe I waited for the low. Let's just say I waited for the fucking low for the video. Let's just say I waited for this low to get hit, which I don't know if that would have been the right thing to do. I maybe this trade gets invalidated. Bang. So I go break even right here. Yeah, and I would have fucking gotten break even. But the take profit would have gotten hit. And that would have put me at about down $100 on the day. But that's really it. I mean, y'all could see the model works. It's just like, I don't know what was going on in the morning, maybe the news, whatever. But if you stick through the entire video, I appreciate y'all, and y'all boys have a good one. Again, these videos are always a lot longer than my winning trade days. And I'm really the only person that's going to do this shit. Who the fuck else is going to sit here with the salt in the wound of losing today, being wrong, getting flamed on TikTok, and still sit here and make a recap video for y'all? That's me. Recap. out now. Appreciate y'all. Y'all boys have a good day.